How's it going, everyone? My name is Preston and welcome back to another video. Today we got a special video, actually. Now, as almost all of you know, this is my 2007 Audi A4 Avant and it's currently my daily driver. Now, being the person I am, I've decided to completely ruin the daily driver experience and we're gonna install some badass coilovers. This car is in desperate need of shocks and springs, with the ones currently on the car being OEM shocks from 2007. That's almost 20 years old. And why spend stupid amounts of money on OEM replacements when these coilovers are 10 times cheaper and look 10 times cooler? Now, inside this box that I've already opened, we have a set of fully adjustable Rev 9 coilovers. And to me, Rev 9 is a great budget brand. I've had no problems with them in the past, and so this was a no-brainer for me to get them at the deal I was given. Now, this won't be a super in-depth guide, but I'm hoping to show you guys enough that you guys will be able to follow along and maybe install coilovers on your B7 Avant as well. But enough with the chit-chat and the blabber. Let's see this thing slammed. So the first thing that we are going to do is pop the hood. All right, so first we're gonna jack up the vehicle, put a jack under it because we'll need the jack to obviously lift the other side, but we'll have to use it on the lower control arm to add tension and release tension when we put it all back together. Just an average Tuesday, man. See that? She was wanting to come right off. Oh yeah, beautiful baby 17s. Well, now that we got the wheel off on the passenger side, down here we've got one bolt, and this guy looks rusty as fuck. I know we have to take the sway bar end link off. This bolt is gonna be the bane of our existence, but I know a way to combat this. We're just gonna drop the whole thing and then we'll take these out by hand. And then we should be able to bring this whole OEM shitty blown strut out and put the nice coil in. So we got, on both sides, we've got this bolt broken free with the nut off, and then on the driver's side, there is the headlight level module thingy, mabob. It's just a little metal clip that you have to unclip from around the control arm. And then I think the sway bar end link comes off. I don't know if we have to take it off from the top or the bottom.
Hey guys, Chris Fix here, and today I'm gonna show you how to replace.
All right, on the passenger side, we get the sway bar end link bolt out. You actually take a 16, and it's this guy right here. There is quite literally no tension on this guy whatsoever. So it'll come out easily. That's broken loose, that's broken loose. We are going to try and get away from the pinch bolt because this is a dangerous fucking bolt. Other people say you have to take the pinch bolt out, you gotta take your tie rod off and all that shit, but what I'm gonna do next is actually come up here and we're gonna take this tray off. And underneath this cap, there's a bolt. There's a bolt there, there's a bolt there. All three of those hold in the mount up here for the strut. I got Dalton on the other side doing this guy.
Yeah, that's right.
And then we're just gonna lower it, put 2 wrenches up here, get these banana arms off, as I like to call them. And then we should be able just to drop out the whole thing from right here. So yeah, we'll I'll update you guys when we get there. Both banana arms are off. The strut's unbolted.
Come on.
And look at that. OEM strut. Garbage. Blown out.
Rusty.
All right, we got both OEM blown struts out. Now, we gotta take the top hats off of these because we gotta reuse them. So, all I hear is an impact and a spring and pray to the beat. Oh, she's going. That wasn't that bad. All right, well now we got our OEM top mount. We gotta keep this guy too. That's junk. Piece of shit. All right, so we got our brand new Rev 9 coilover, and these mount upside down for some reason, so the spring's on the bottom. All we did was take the factory perch, put it right back on, and then use the provided nut, and we don't actually have the specified tool for that. So we're just gonna send it with an impact, which you should never do. Progress update. We have tightened the top nut, put the coilover in. Oh fuck. This is a big ass drop in between here, but we did end up having to take the ball joint off, and we might have broke the other side, but you know, JB weld for the win. But now what we're gonna do is put these upper control arms back into their slots, tighten them both up, and then we can start lifting the bottom control arm, tighten up our top mount bolts, and then this coilover is done. Okay, well, this is the passenger side. It's all done, it's all tight. I haven't set ride height or preload yet. That's why the spring is still loose. But everything is back tightened on this side, and it all went well. We move over to the driver's side. I fucked up. The bolt for the fucking tie rod decided to break. And better yet, this is what the other one looks like. There's no fucking threads on it. I mean, do I really need a tie rod?
You only need one.
You think I could JB weld it in? Hey guys, there's a random nut.
Who gives a fuck? Just put it on.
There's no such thing as extra parts.
Moment of truth.
This side's just gonna be
Slam it.
stuck.
Let it all the way down. Just drop. Wow, it stayed the fucking same.
All right, we just threw my 19s on from the S5, and we went down about half an inch and added.
I thought it was an inch.
No, half an inch.
Yeah, you're.
This is the daily. We gotta keep it reliable. At about 5/8 of preload. Oh my fucking god. These fuckers poke out like the fucking monster truck. I don't know what to do.
Go another half an inch.
It's a daily.
Who gives a damn? Go another half an inch. Another half an inch.
What were the numbers again?
3/4 preload, inch and 3/4.
Inch and 3/4 height and 15 turns of preload. And we got the 19 stocks on from the S5 still.
Lower.
I don't know. I like it. It looks good like that.
No, it does not.
Yes, it do.
No, it looks stuck.
You could hit a fucking speed bump at 80 miles an hour and it won't do shit.
Don't you got like a 20 wrench or a 21?
No.
Dolan, are you over there?
Chasing them down.
Yo, sorry, my bad. Hey, can you quit touching my tip?
All right, we're heading onto the rear. The front's done. Fitment, garbage. All right, well, we got the one strut out. Now we're gonna lower the subframe just a little and pry this spring out. But there's 2 bolts up in here. These little guys, they hold the upper strut mount in, and then the lower strut mount in. Yeah,
Hey, no one really wants to learn about this. Just run no springs. Let's just drop it.
yeah, because we're going static in this. This is the long ass fucking bolt for the bottom of the shock, and then there's a little 10 mil down in here that holds the level sensor on. You can just delete that shit. Now we're gonna drop the subframe and pry the spring out with pure luck. After some struggling and a Riley about breaking everything, this fucker's out. This fucking, don't need that no more. We got the new spring all in and there ain't no room to fucking tighten it whatsoever. But she's in. We got this strut all bolted up, tightened. Just gotta get the bottom bolt in, or I might just leave it like that because I'm at the point where I don't fucking care anymore. But I'll take this bolt, slide this badge on through. She don't line up. All right, lift her up, pal.
Going up.
Go up. Go up. Keep going. Okay.
Is it in?
No, father.
Oh.
Is that a fingerprint on your...
Oh, I just wanted to pause and say these are maxed out.
Not low enough.
Shut the fuck up! This thing's clapped out as fuck. Here, I know a way to fix it.
Oh yeah, don't worry.
Oh, I gotta go grab the center cap. No, wait, I gotta torque them. Fuck. Eh.
Before, after. Hey, is it supposed to do that?
No?
Absolutely not. Not at all.
What is that?
What are you doing now?
Taking the upper strut mount bolts out. Like,
The good little bitch you are.
like that. Up, and the bolt went behind the fucking fender liner again.
You wanna give it a little wristy? Okay, you just sense it. I wasn't gonna do that.
This guy's a fucking bitch. So we're just gonna take this guy, this 21, and throw it on this guy and just fucking. Oh my god! It's in my eyes! 1 and 2. Out. So, would I ever do this again? Fuck no. Will I? Probably.
All for the love of fitment.
Yeah, and the fitment on this thing ain't even that good.
Hey, it's just 2 inches.
That's a lot, Dalton. Why is that so much lower? Oh. Time out. This is why I hate coils on fucking German cars, because they put them in the most dumb fucking spots ever.
But does it look nasty when it's done?
Hell yeah, it does. Is it worth it? Fuck no, it's been fucking 6 hours. Going on 7.
Day 2.
It's currently the next day, and this is where we're sitting at. We went on a little test drive last night, and things did not go to plan. The rear rubs super bad even after bringing it up, so I'm going to keep bringing this up until it stops rubbing. The front wheel actually fell off yesterday. I forgot to tighten the lug nuts. We're gonna bring this up. We're gonna add more preload because it's still a little too soft up here. So we're currently at 15 turns of preload. So we're gonna bring that up to maybe 20, 25-ish. And then we are going to keep the 19s on because I love the way this thing fucking looks with the 19s. Big old jumbo willy bobs. I'm gonna knock this out real quick by myself this time. So maybe I'll be more productive and it's not gonna take me another 6 hours. So it's been about an hour and a half and I think I have the fitment dialed in. With the 19s at least. It's a little tall, but it looks great with the 19s. The step up from 17s to 19 makes this look way better. It's pretty much even fitment front and rear. Here's this side, pretty much the same. And the same over here. Now for the fronts, I have 15 turns of preload with the dampening set to 20. Pretty sure it's 20. And then the ride height, I went off a feel, to be honest. Same thing with this side. The rears, however, is 2 inches of ride height. The dampening is 20, and then the strut adjustability is maxed all the way out. So, with all this being said, it is time. Oh, my glasses about fell off. It is time to go on a test drive and pray to God that this doesn't rub anymore. And I know I torqued the wheel, so the wheel won't fall off again. Also, it has been a minute since you guys have seen in here. For one, the crack's gotten way worse. For two, this gay bedazzle shit is still on here. But we now have a black suede headliner with black lower trim. Still waiting on those to come in. My package was lost. But we got black ones of these. This thingamabob, sunroof shade, but I fucking kept this tan. I don't know why. This actually works now, but better yet, if we take our key, we have motherfucking starlights in this bitch. That shit took me way too fucking long, but I'm cooking in here, so let's get this going. One more thing, I might as well show you guys if you haven't already heard. We have an exhaust on the wagon, and the wagon actually sounds pretty decent now. Do I feel like hiding my secrets to making this car actually sound good, the 3.2? I might hide them. But now, it's time for a goddamn test drive, and pray to God nothing goes wrong. Well, guys, I'm finishing up the test drive right now, and it feels great. It's smooth, there's no clanks. The clank you hear right now is actually the dumb pipe in the back for Aaron. Now, it does have a little bit of a static bounce to it, I ain't gonna lie, so I might have went a little too stiff. However, I am very happy with how it turns out. Ride height looks great, and I have no complaints whatsoever. So, with that being said, I am out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed this shitty-ass install, and I've got some more stuff coming up for you guys. So this car is going to get transformed very fucking quick. See you guys later. Thank you for watching. Peace out. Okay, sorry to interrupt your guys' outro, but I just pulled into my driveway and there's a little bit of rubbing. Fuck it, we ball.